Hello beautiful people, today we're going to be going from regular eyeliner to graphic eyeliner, so stay tuned because it's going to be so much fun. So to start it off, you are going to want to prep your eye with a basic black line on your eyelid, and then now that I already have that on, I'm going to go in with the flick stick. I'm so excited. It literally has a whole stamp, you guys. Look at this. A stamp of a wing. Like, it can't get any easier than that. So now we're just gonna put this on. We're gonna align this. I'm so excited. I haven't tried it yet, you guys. So I'm just gonna align this and stamp it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then you're just gonna wanna literally just fill it in and connect those two lines. Wow. You see that? And that's it. You see that perfect wing? And it's like a nice, like everyday minimal wing. Dude, that's amazing. It's literally beautiful. I'm gonna be using this more. But now, for the graphic liner part. I genuinely love doing graphic liner in my looks. It's so much fun. Like, if you haven't tried graphic liner, you should. You should try it if it's, you know, something you want to do. It's the best and you can't go wrong with graphic eyeliner. So, all right, we have that there, our wing. Now we're gonna start from the tip of our wing, or you can start anywhere. I feel like there's no rules to graphic eyeliner. Like, you can really do any types of fun shapes on your eyes, but I'm gonna show you guys like the nice, easy way how to do a graphic liner. So let's do it. I'm gonna go up here and crease my eye and connect it down to the wing. And then just crease it like that. And I'm actually going to connect it to the yellow. So now that I have this like fun shape going. Oh, that's so dope. And you see how literally within minutes, did you guys see how easy that is? That's amazing. I stamped it and I already have graphic liner, you guys. Wow. What? Okay, so I'm gonna do my other eye so you guys can see me stamping it again. Because I'm shook, you guys. I wasn't too sure about this, but okay. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. Literally just align it, stamp it, connect it, and yeah, let's see. Stamp. Let go. Bam. I love that, and it's really nice and minimal, and now I'm just gonna fill it in. Just gonna connect it right over here. Wow. And that quick. And literally that quick, you guys. Wow. You guys, I am thoroughly impressed with the flick stick. You've seen it. Literally all you had to do is align the stamp with your lash line and just connect it, and you have a regular winged eyeliner look. Or just go up, connect it, and then you have a whole graphic liner look. I'm obsessed. Like, at first I was a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little nervous. I was like, But the stamps really did work. I love it. So yeah, eyeliner made easier for you guys. Definitely check it out. But yeah, I hope this video was informative and fun. So until next time, I love you guys. Bye.